Turkey dinner is over, and this is what we have left. What am I going to do with this? Have you ever found yourself in a situation that you don't know what to do with it and you don't really want to throw the turkey carcasses out? If you want to know how to do it, then stick around. Hi, I'm Monica Chaveniak here with Fearless Cooking. Turkey carcass, turning it into a beautiful stock in your Fearless kitchen. Let's get going. What I have done with all the leftover turkey carcass that was in the roasting pan, what I do is take it all apart and put in a mirepoix, which is basically carrots, celery, and onions. Put salt in it. Put the giblets in there, everything that's there, and put it in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. The browner it gets, the better. At 350, and I've done it between 350 and 400. I like my turkey carcass really, really brown and dark because that is going to make a fabulous sauce for me with the stock. So now what we're doing is we're going to transfer all what we have in here into a pot. So in this pot here, in my soup pot, I am caramelizing the onions. It gives it a really nice flavor, even though I had some in here. But I'm going to double up. I had a couple of soft tomatoes. Tomatoes give your stock a really nice color. So do the onion peels. And we got some garlic in here. I'm going to throw in some peppercorns. And now I'm going to put in the bones into the pot. We're putting everything in it. These little black bits, that's the good stuff, guys. We're going to strain our soup afterwards anyway, so it really doesn't matter. And as you can see, the more your bones and your vegetables are caramelizing, the more flavors you're getting out. So now all I'm going to do is add some cold water and cover that. We want to take these impurities out. We brought it to a boil, and now we're going to simmer this soup or stock for quite a while. Just wanted to show you what a beautiful color it already has, and it's been about 30 minutes into it. You see this gorgeous color? Fabulous. It's been about 3 hours. Look at this beautiful stock or broth. Unbelievable beautiful. Anyway, what we're going to do now is we're going to strain it. And we're going to strain it through a cheesecloth, so that we're going to get all these little impurities out of it, not into the stock. And we're just going to leave this overnight and in the fridge, and we'll show you tomorrow. A little bit of a fatty part has overnight developed here, which is good. I'm just going to take that off. Now, I don't want you to throw this out. Throw this in the next stew or throw this in your next dish. This is just beautiful stock. Turkey stock. After several hours of not really much to do, after when we put all our giblets and all the vegetables in the oven and then we cooked it up for a few hours, I beg you, please do not throw your carcass at Christmas time or holiday time out in the garbage. That is sinful. It should be illegal as far as I'm concerned. Look how beautiful this stock is. This is what you can get out. It enhances all your foods that you're cooking, if you're cooking like Fearless, which you are. Anyway, enjoy it. Remember to be fearless in your kitchen.